Another healing tip for you, the cold plunge. How many of you have thought about turning that shower on cold and going in there, or jumping in the river that's freezing cold in the wintertime, or your pool that's almost iced over and you're like, I don't want to do that because I know it's going to be cold. Well, it's hard too. It's a mental challenge you got to get through. But I tell you what, if you do the things that most people won't, you're going to get results that most people don't. So do it anyways. But if you're a beginner and you just want to start learning, getting your body used to this cold water like me, because I'm beginning on it too. It's challenging, right? So 2 minutes. Okay, so you can get yourself a little bowl like this and put some ice in there. Take your little fingers here, take your foot, take your face. So this is a big key here, especially when you wake up in the morning. It's a great way to just immerse your face in that water, and then it's going to help bring that energy to your brain, the awareness to your brain. And you'll be like, wow, I have so much mental clarity. The thing is with this is you're going to want to do it at work probably, because you're like, oh man, I lost the mental clarity. I got to get my head back in the ice again. In the evening time, you come home, you're a little drained. You put your head in the ice again, whoa, you're going to feel so much better. So it just stimulates your cells, your brain activity. If you can do your whole body in a plunge, you're going to do the best. But here I go. Wish me luck. I'm going to try to put my little face in there and get my head all wet. And here we go. Okay, that's just for the beginner and it's for the video, but normally I would stay in there for 2 minutes, okay? I love it. See you guys in the next video. Cheers.